Hey there, so the team over at Jewem sent over these edible coloring pens. So let's take an up close look at them and find out what they can be best used for. So first of all, look at all the colors available. You've got every color of the rainbow, you've got pink, you've got 2 shades of green, brown, and there are 3 black ones in there. So you've got the colors to make anything you want. Not only did they send you every color, they also have 2 different sides. So there's a narrow end and there's a wider end to help give you more options on what you're drawing. These will work on pretty much any smooth, dry surface that you can think of. You want something that's not greasy. So something like hard-boiled eggs for Easter, or flat cookies, or dried icing, things like that. So let's try them out on some cookies I made. So I've got some sugar cookies here that I baked off, and they are crinkled on the top. So we're gonna try it on the bottom and see how well everything does. So as you can see, my art skills are definitely not the best. And because of the bumps in the cookies, we're not getting as smooth of a writing as we would like, but it is very cool that you can write on these. I think they're gonna be great for your hard-boiled eggs. They're gonna be great for cookies that are flatter than this. Store-bought flat cookies would be great for this. It's gonna give your kids something to do. It's a fun activity, and who doesn't like to play with their food? So guys, I hope this helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.